Welcome students. Today's session discuss gaseous state lesson van der Waals constant. Van der Waals derivation will be discussed. So already discussed pressure correction. P ideal equal to P plus A n square divided V square, and volume correction V ideal equal to V minus NB, and ideal gas equation derived PV equal to nRT. So what is the critical constant is critical pressure, critical volume and critical temperature. The constant is called A and B. So equation 1 and 2 will be substituted in the equation 3, pressure and volume position. So pressure equal to P plus A n square divided V square, V volume equal to apply V minus NB. So that equation apply PV equal to nRT will be apply P plus A n square divided V square into V minus NB equal to nRT. So for 1 mole of gas apply will be n equal to 1. So answer P plus A divided V square, and here also 1 apply V minus B equal to here 1 apply RT only. And next will be multiply V into P and V into A divided V square, and minus B into P and minus A divided V square will be multiply the equation. So P into V PV, and A divided V square divided V, V cancels and balance A by V, and minus P into B PV minus PB, and minus will be apply minus AB divided V square, and left LHS side of RT is minus RT equal to 0. The multiply the equation V square divided P. So apply the whole equation V square divided P bracket P plus V plus A divided V minus PB and minus AB by V square and minus RT equal to 0. So apply of the multiply, both the terms will be apply V square divided P, both the terms apply. So V square divided P into PV plus V square divided P into A divided V minus V square divided P into PB minus V square divided P into AB by V square minus V square divided P into RT. So cancel P cancel, and next V squared will be cancelled, balance V, and next will be P will be cancelled, and next will be V squared will be cancelled. That's all students. So V squared into V cube plus AV divided P, and next minus BV squared minus BV squared minus AB by P minus no cancellation of this term. So RT V squared divided P equal to 0. So rearrange of alphabet for mathematical rearrangement, A cube, A squared, A and number of the term. So here also V cube, V squared and V and number of the terms. So V cube also here, V squared where present minus BV squared and minus RT V squared. So out bracket of V squared will be first of all, and that out bracket of negative sign, and balance will be RT by P plus B, and next will be V outside of the bracket A divided P minus AB by P. So rearrangement V square, V cube, V squared, V number of the term is the equation mentioned 5. So cubic equations of V volume. So volume equal to critical constant of point equal to critical volume V equal to Vc, and LHS side of critical volume V minus Vc. So apply of the cubic format, V minus Vc equal to whole cube. What is the A minus B whole cube formula? This is A, this is B. So A cube means V cube minus A minus 3A B squared means 3A means Vc 3 B squared minus A, and next we will be apply a minus b whole cube formula. So minus 3vc v squared plus 3vc squared v minus vc cube. What is the a minus b whole cube formula? A cube minus 3 a squared b and plus 3 b squared a and minus b cube. This is a minus b whole cube formula. You will see here apply of the volume of the cubic. So both the equation 5 and 6 equate. So first of all you will be equate of the equation v cube will be cancelled. So minus 3vc squared minus 3vc v squared equal to minus rt divided p plus b. So v squared will be cancelled, minus will be cancelled. So 3vc equal to rtc critical temperature divided critical pressure plus b, the mention of equation 7. Next equate plus 3vc squared v equal to a divided p into v. So v cancel, 3vc squared equal to a by bc. Next will be equate to minus 3vc squared. Minus 3vc squared equal to minus ab by pc. So minus will be cancelled. So vc cube equal to ab by pc. So equation 7, 8, 9 will be apply the conditions. Equation 7, 8, 9 will be compare the equation. Equation 9 divided equation 8. What is the equation 9? vc cube divided 3vc squared equal to vc cube means ab by pc whole divided a by pc. And the next step, the cube will be cancelled, squared will be cancelled. So balance is also vc. So vc divided 3 and ab by pc into pc divided a cancel, pc cancel. So vc divided 3 equal to b and vc value equal to multiply of the 3, so 3b. So next will be equation 10 apply, substitute on equation 8. So equation 8 means 3vc squared equal to a divided pc. So vc the position. So find out the pc. So pc means a divided 3vc squared. So apply of the vc equal to 3b. So pc equal to a divided 3 into 3b whole squared. So 3b means vc equal to 3b. So first of all you will be squared and 3 squared and b squared, you will be 9b squared into 3, 27b squared. pc equal to a divided 27b squared. So equation 10 and 11 apply the equation 7. Equation 7. So equation 7 means 3vc squared plus b plus rtc by p. So vc position apply of the 3b, p position apply of a by 27b squared. So and the next 3 into 3b 9b and will be that, and the divide the part is also multiply. So b plus rtc divided a into 27b squared. Next step, the b is also LHS side, 9b minus b rtc 27b squared divided a. So a with multiply LHS side. So 8ab equal to tc or 27b squared. So find out the tc, critical temperature equal to 8ab divided or 27b squared. So b cancel, balance 1b. So critical temperature equal to 8a divided 27 rb. So 3 values is also find out. Critical volume equal to 3b, critical pressure equal to a divided 27b squared, critical temperature equal to 8a divided 27 rb. So 3 values will be find out the critical constant, and the critical constant will be calculated of the van der Waals AB values equal like that. So already find out the VC equal to 3B. So B equal to VC by 3. So B value equal to VC by 3, and find out the PC value, A value 3VC squared equal to A by PC. So A equal to multiply 3VC squared into PC is a multiply of PC. So find out A and B values and critical volume, critical pressure, critical temperatures values. So very important derivations of 5 marks. So the find out the values only 3 mark questions. So very important students will be well prepared. Thank you to all.